If you want to live to the age of 80 years without having heart disease,
it will not only improve your body, but it will help you in so many aspects of your health and life.
30 से 40% जो कैलोरी इंटेक आप ले रहे हो उसको आपको कम करना है.
Go to few pieces of almonds or walnuts. They are the best heart healthy snacks.
if you want to live to the age of 80 years without having heart disease, it's very simple. A, B, C, D, E. A, that means your abdominal girth should not go beyond 80. B, that is your blood pressure. C, that is your cholesterol. Try to keep your LDL cholesterol below 80. D, that is your diet. And E is for exercise. Try to exercise every day. So your heart healthy challenge this year is follow the formula of 80 to reach 80 years being heart disease free.
The heart healthy New Year resolution for general public would be to get yourself tested for lifestyle diseases, hypertension, diabetes and heart diseases at least once in a year, so that we can find out the hidden burden of the disease and eliminate it.
तो रिजोल्यूशन आपका ये होना चाहिए कि आप अपना 30 से 40% जो कैलोरी इंटेक आप ले रहे हो उसको आपको कम करना है. जब आप ये करोगे तो आपका वेट आपकी एज हाइट के हिसाब से मेंटेन होगा बराबर और बाकी सारी डिसीजेस से आप बचोगे.
Well, I generally take a bowl of mixed nuts like almonds and walnuts with some dark chocolate chips in it. They're generally healthy for your heart, so they have their share of vitamins, minerals, protein and antioxidants, and they're generally healthy but still satisfy your craving.
Whenever I have craving to eat something besides my meals, I always go to few pieces of almonds or walnuts. They are the best heart healthy snacks.
कोई भी स्नैक है उसमें अगर प्रोटीन है, या तो आप उबला चना ले सकते हो, फूटा हुआ चना ले सकते हो, मोट ले सकते हो, मूंग दाल ले सकते हो, ये सारी चीज़ें जो भी प्रोटीन से बनी हुई चीज़ें हैं वो आप ले सकते हो.
Know what is your blood pressure number, what is your sugar number, and what is your cholesterol number. These are the three things which every person should know. Knowing your cholesterol number will protect you from dyslipidemia. Knowing your sugar number will protect you from diabetes, and knowing your blood pressure number will protect you from hypertension. So go ahead, get yourself checked up and know your numbers.
If I had to give you one heart healthy advice for year 2025, that is called as a keystone habit. It will not only improve your body, but it will help you in so many aspects of your health and life. It will prevent you or it will protect you from high blood pressure. It will protect your sugars, maintain your memory, prevent dementia. It will improve your physical look and confidence. This 60 to 90 minutes must consist of 20 minutes of stretching exercise, 20 minutes of brisk walk or run, 20 minutes of pranayam, and if you are extra 30 minutes in walk, another in the evening.
My one piece heart healthy advice to everyone starting 2025 would be to keep yourself physically active, to walk as much as you can, and to always keep your weight under check. Try to keep your BMI below 23.
का एक योगा प्राणायाम एक सोशल एस्पेक्ट भी है उसमें कि आपके फ्रेंड्स होने चाहिए जिनके साथ आप टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो. ये सब चीज़ें करने से आपके पॉजिटिव हार्मोन्स आपके रिलीज होते हैं. देन यू आर एबल टू मेंटेन अ हेल्दी हार्ट. म्यूजिक बजाकर आप जुम्बा कर सकते हो. कुछ भी बर्न करनी है आपको कैलोरीज, तो ट्राई टू बर्न एटलीस्ट 400 to 500 कैलोरीज मिनिमम.
Women don't have heart disease. The fact is that women have as much heart disease as men. It's just that they present differently, the symptoms don't get picked up so soon, and they don't receive treatment so early.
अर्जुनालिस्ट है, उसकी पत्तियों का रस हम पी लें क्या, उससे जो बनी हुई चीज़ें वो खा लें क्या, तो हमारा हार्ट हेल्दी होगा.
Easiest heart health related myth which I have ever heard is that after a heart attack or after stenting, patient should not walk more, patient should not exert. In fact, this is exactly the opposite. After a heart attack or after a stent, we ask our patients to be physically more active. We ask them to lose more weight so that they don't have a recurrence of a heart attack. That is very, very important.
लहसुन खा लेते हैं, लहसुन खाने से हमारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल कम हो गया क्या, तो इस तरह की चीज़ें करते हैं लोग. अपने खुद के लिए 1 घंटा टाइम निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी है सुबह में। और जो शौक़ आपने अपने MBBS डेज में नहीं पूरे कर पाए, अपने कॉलेज डेज में नहीं कर पाए, वो शौक़ मैं पूरे कर रहा हूँ।
I love hearing songs by Mohit Chauhan and Arijit Singh. They are very soothing and good for your heart.